Hello everyone, welcome to new video. Today I am going to share about GoBrunch. GoBrunch is a make your online meeting more fun, engaging and interactive. If you want to build an exclusive space that nobody has get creative and collaborate with GoBrunch, the ultimate virtual office and community platform for creators and startups. GoBrunch is a virtual meeting and webinar platform with a distinctive UI that promotes positive participations and provides significant value to virtual attendees. People today prefer virtual meetings to face-to-face meetings for a variety of reasons, including education, personal work, corporate companies meeting, and any other type of business meeting. Popular platforms such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet are widely used as virtual meetings and versatile webinars. If you are a course creator, event organizer, or small businesses, this tool is for you. An alternative to 124 and Zoom. I am going to share about how GoBrunch work. Now first, we will go to GoBrunch website from appsumo website. This is the GoBrunch website. You can use this tool for free or paid version. You can easily sign up with an email. Anyway, now I will discuss the feature of this tool in detail. As you can see, this is the GoBrunch interface. Next, as you can see, the key feature of this tool, no download and no time limit, all-in-one solution, multiple rooms, recording in the cloud, branding and customization, multiple screen sharing, on-demand video player, broadcast to all rooms. Next, create your own virtual rooms. Creating a room in GoBrunch is like having your own architect or interior design in your team to give the exact ambience that your meeting, workshop, gathering, webinar, or event needs. And if you do not have inspiration, choose one of the 50 templates we have designed to help make your meetings a success. After that, set up into the world of GoBrunch. Sign up on GoBrunch and create your virtual office space. You can select a virtual theme or layout. Easily invite team members, partners, or collaborate and connect with them in one centralized platform. No sign up needed for them. Customize, add branding elements, multiple content, and personal touch. Collaboration, conduct virtual meetings with video conferencing and screen sharing, engaging in a real time discussing share files and brainstorm ideas, collaboration documents, presentation and project in real time. Sixth reason to pick GoBrunch: meeting, showcase, classroom, webinar, events, co-working space. Virtual workspace, 24/7 access, productivity tools, engaging environment, live and on-demand training, customization and branding. And the last thing you can see in the GoBrunch user reviews. Pricing, it's a paid tool. Now we will know about the pricing of the product of the main website of GoBrunch. GoBrunch has four types of plan. On free plans, you can take the free plan, but it has some limitation from the paid plans to government plans for 23.99 per month, prime chief plan for 55.99, and for enterprise plans for companies and school. Price is not available now. To know the price, you need to call GoBrunch call center or through email. So you can buy also from AppSumo because AppSumo is currently 91% off and only $79 with lifetime access, with an overall rating 4.9 from 258 reviews. and 6 days money back guarantee. Also, below are some other plans like license tier 1 one-time purchase of $79, license tier 2 one-time purchase of $169, and license tier 3 one-time purchase of $239. Can choose according to your preference. And I will give you a affiliate link on my video description. If you use this link, you can get extra 10% discount on this platform. I think you will enjoy this tool. And if you enjoy this tool, please subscribe or follow this channel or page and comment us below. See you again in the next video. Thank you.